Hey guys, welcome back to the Small Engine Nation channel. My name is Phil, and today I'll be showing you how to sharpen a KM HL-145 hedge trimmer, adjustable hedge trimmer attachment made by Stihl. It is their combi unit. Let's get started. You won't need much today. All you'll need is an air cutoff saw. If you have battery operated, that's okay too. With the 3-inch cutoff wheel, mine is obviously grounded down, very short, because I sharpen all these on a daily basis. And this is optional. I like to use some hedge trimmer blade cleaner / resin remover. This is made by Stihl. Give me a moment here. My dartboard seemed to want to turn on and for no apparent reason play a game. But anyways, let's get to it. First thing I do is obviously turn this inside out so it's straight, lock it in place, and leave it in that position. Before you start any grinding, make sure to put on your safety glasses and make sure there are no gasoline tanks on the floor when you are going to be grinding the blades, because they will you will have sparks, and sparks and fuel do not mix. So go ahead, hook up your air tool, cut off wheel, and now what you want to do before you actually set this up, what you want to do is you want to move the blades back a little bit. If you can move them by hand, you can do that. But you want to move them back so that way they are just barely overlapping and you get that clean faced edge, because these are double-sided, as you can see there. So we're gonna do one side first. This is gonna be the right side. Let's go ahead and do it. I'll show you a quick close-up of how I'm gonna do one, and then I'm gonna speed up the video on how I do the rest. So let's get a good focus on this here. You take your cutoff wheel and you simply cut it or sharpen it at an angle here like this. And that's all there is to it. You don't even have to take it far back. Let me set this down, zoom in a little bit, focus. There you go. There's a sharp side for you. And you have, I don't know how many, I want to over exaggerate this, but probably around 50 more sides to do. So go ahead and do it. It's going to take a little bit. It's going to run your compressor down if you're going to be using air tools, or it's going to run your battery down if you use battery operated die grinders. So I'm going to go ahead, speed this up, do all of them, and then I'm going to show you the final product. After you have sharpened them, you're basically done with the cutting side or sharpening side. As you can see, I got all of the sides complete. Both sides there, and also, since it's double-sided, you get your front-facing ones and the ones on the back. So as you can see, they're all clean. And now I simply just get your hedge trimmer blade cleaner or resin remover and spray one side. Go ahead, flip it, spray the other side as well, like so. And that's about all there is to it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down, just kind of clean it up a bit. The customer does have his combi. He's gonna bring it in, test it, make sure it runs good. And that's all there is to it, to basically sharpening a hedge trimmer attachment. Now, don't forget to lube your ports. You got one here, and you also got a lube port right there. Add some lube, test it out, check it out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.